Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel BIM with Gauri, BIM plus design channel. So in today's video we are going to talk about view templates. So guys, are you tired of fixing view properties again and again in different views? Like fixing the same view settings again and again wastes lots of time and it becomes irritating. Okay, so see, here I have fixed this floor plan. Like this view I fixed, and now again I have to go to the furniture plan and do the same things. Like I have to go to visual graphics and open, like I need to see walls, doors, etc. So I have to go do it all manually. So let us find an easier way to do this. So the easier way to do this is to create view templates. I'll be creating a view template from floor plan underscore 100. Like I'll be creating a view template from this. Okay, so let's go to the view tab and then create new template from current view. Okay, so I'll be creating template, like I'm naming it as plan. Okay, so see, this view template is created and it has all the properties of the current view. I want these properties to go to this view, like this furniture plan view. Okay, so I'll be applying this view template and see, all these properties come to this, and this is the easiest way to do, and this maintains consistency in our floor plans, in our sheets, which helps us to give good submissions, consistent and clean submissions and drawings. Okay, that's all.